Then Jason Behrendorff from Perth, Australia. Oh, that's the ball, that's the ball. Up goes the finger. Swung back into the right-hander. And after 2 boundaries, they have a wicket. Rohit Sharma just looking down the wicket at Shikhar Dhawan. Does he want to use the one review they have available? I think Shikhar Dhawan's telling him, no mate, you're not looking good here.
The foot going barely forward. When the ball nips back in from the left-hander, he's always going to be a candidate for LBW. Mohammad Amir got him in the finals of the Champions Trophy. Here once again, that lack of footwork getting him back to the pavilion. And first wicket for Australia for Behrendorff. And Bradley Hogg is doing cartwheels next to me. Rohit Sharma out for 8 for 1.
Right, that's up in the air. It's taken. Has it gone off the pad? Is that inside? And up goes the finger. What an over! Umpires reckon there was an inside edge on the pad.
If it is swinging in the air, you can try and make the late adjustment. But when it pitches and then cuts back into you, then you are going to be in trouble if you're going to play across the line. That's exactly what Virat Kohli tried to do. Look at that. He looked to play across the line. You can see that. And there is just a little bit of, well, more than a little bit of a bubble there. And he takes it easily. Virat Kohli out LBW for a duck. It's 8 for 2.
Now up goes the finger. One more goes. Manish Pandey is walking. Gee, Jason Behrendorff is on fire. This one didn't swing back, just held its line, took the outside edge, and India in turmoil. 16 for 3.
Just a slight bit of movement in, then seam away. Pandey playing away from his body. And Behrendorff, 3 boundaries of his 8 balls, but also 3 wickets. He's doing the damage for Australia. Pandey's got to go for 6. India 16 for 3.
Well, he's timed that. It's up in the air though. It is an outstanding catch by David Warner. He has made a very difficult catch look simple by the sheer brilliance of that effort. Jason Behrendorff gets a 4th.
Darwin trying to take him over mid-off, but that was a classic catch from David Warner. Having to run back, keeping his head still. Not timing that, Darwin, as well as he'd like, but look out the way that David Warner head is so still, keeping that eye on the ball. And that's why he's taken that great catch. It was a hard catch by David Warner. Darwin's out for 2. India 27 for 4.
Catch. Oh, was that a chance? It's a terrific effort, and what a spell. Behrendorff finishes at wonderful top 4 overs. 4 for 21 of 4. It's 43 for 4. That man there on screen, Jason Behrendorff, was tremendous. Absolutely. Let's crack this game right open.